Number 2. Chef IQ Smart Cooker. The Chef IQ Smart Cooker is a game changer. This pressure cooker surpasses its rivals with a stunning build and customizable functions. Chef IQ lets you adjust just about every setting, including the ferment function, which fine-tunes fermentation temperature. Far more versatile than the Instant Pot's yogurt function. Designed by chefs for chefs, this cooker includes small but crucial details. It boasts a built-in tare function to weigh ingredients directly in the pot, reducing the need to wash extra dishes. It also shows you exactly how much pressure is building, helping anxious cooks predict dinner readiness more accurately. Enjoy control over when and how pressure is released after cooking. Choose immediate quick release, and the cooker will alert you with a beep, signaling it's about to release pressure automatically. Connecting easily to the beautifully designed Chef IQ app, the cooker becomes even more useful. The app is packed with recipes and tips, enhancing your cooking experience. Still, you don't have to sync it immediately. You can add the app anytime. While the cooker's features excel, its complexity might initially seem daunting. However, after some use, you'll find those same features incredibly empowering. Packed with functionality, design, and versatility, the Chef IQ Smart Cooker stands out as the best value in pressure cooking. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.